start it over.
No.
Hi.
I'm kidding.
Okay. Hi, Sprinkles. Welcome back to Mirabella TV. Let's go find some trees and cool stuff. Come with me.
Hey, Sprinkles.
Hi, Sprinkles.
We are back. We've been away for a while. I caught COVID. Then Mirabella and Kimberly over here caught COVID. And we had to fight our way through. I had the worst bout of it. I do the bulk of the filming and editing, and etc.
Tasting.
So tasting and I really couldn't taste or smell, so I've been out for a while. I got the mask on just because it helps me breathe. We're going for a nice nature walk, and I figured this was a good welcome back to Mirabella TV video. We'll be starting again soon. Very soon I'll have a Field of Burn with a special giveaway coming out. And then I'll be doing some more reviews soon, and we're letting this video come out real soon too. And we just appreciate all your support. We appreciate the 2,000 subscribers. Beyond words how thankful we are for all of it. And we'll be getting back into the run of doing these videos again real soon. It's good to see you guys again. Thanks for your support.
Happy 2024. Here we go.
How happy are you about 2,000 subscribers?
I'm really happy.
It's awesome. All right, we'll be back.
Smooth. Check out the new bench.
There's something so peaceful about these woods, man. I love it here. I don't know if it translates into video for you guys. I'm just gonna walk along and you guys can come with us. Oh, I'll give it to the cinematographer.
It's like it has a...
Somebody wrote that.
E.
They did something there too.
Mirabella's stage in the woods. Take it away. Cue the music, Daddy. What kind of music, Mirabella?
Disco.
Cue the music, Daddy.
I couldn't find any disco.
No disco.
Funky music.
Come and spin with me. Oh, I'm all dizzy.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, wood just spinning. Whoa.
Even our sprinkles and I are spinning. Whoa!
Wait. I'll film for a little bit.
Film that.
In loving memory. Time spent amongst trees is never wasted time. Katrina Mayer.
Filming.
Oh.
Film, baby, film. Look at the green growth over there. A little green rock.
Smooth like copyright. Like copyright criminal undercover.
Nope. Can't afford it.
We can't afford the copyright music.
We need to pause.
Film the whole line.
Okay. Make faces at it. I'll do it. Get her! Mud. Get her! These two. Unbelievable.
This is cute. The fallen tree. It looks like that tree made an arch.
Race me to that side.
No, no,
Yes!
no, we got something
Yes!
to show the sprinkles. Isn't that cool? The simplicity of nature.
Please race me again. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't breathe. Race me to that side. 3, 2, 1.
We're not crossing the road, kiddo.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Stop.
I win. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe.
Now we head back and do the big rock.
Let's just cross that road. Why?
We're not walking down that way. There's nothing good that way.
What do you mean there's dangers up that way? It's not
I can add music. It doesn't have to all be. Oh,
Can't breathe.
you can't breathe?
No.
Slow down. COVID affected all the lungs.
It's an old bench.
It'll be a good camera angle. Yeah. Run with it. This is footage when I'm older, me going insane.
You're insane now. You don't have to wait for getting older.
What did you do to the tree?
Daddy told me to do that.
Why, thank you.
Just walk away.
To Big Rock Visitor Station. And then once we get from here past the visitor station, we're going to take you all on a loop around, not that way, we're going to go this way to see the Big Rock, and then maybe go back this way back to the station. We'll see.
Get your butt over here.
Unbelievable. I can't hear you.
Give me the camera.
I think she said, give me the camera.
Yes.
There you go.
I want to film. Guys, are you ready to see a roller coaster trip? Oops.
Oh my goodness. Almost in the mud.
It can be like this and go this way. Okay, look.
She's gonna give her daddy a heart attack.
Boo. How did you not get scared by that?
Ah. Because I'm not afraid of my little girl.
Look at this. I'm gonna give her Sprinkles a trip like I did again. Oops. You can film like this angle, if you want to. This angle, this angle, this angle. So many more. You can go northwest, east, west, southwest. There's no.
Huh? Check it out.
Oh.
They built a chair just for me in the woods.
Don't sit on that, it's all wet.
Why? I'm in jeans.
How did you get ticks all over your butt?
Oh, hell, Mama. Why do you go, ah? There's spider webs on that, you know.
Spiders, ticks. We're out in nature. We're in their home. Would you stop making our viewers?
They're not going to be throwing up at home.
Grandma's going to be like, it was a great video, but I got dizzy because Mirabella kept spinning the camera.
Give me a second. Hi guys.
Look at that tree. Uh-oh, this path is closed. It might be too muddy. We'll have to find out.
We're going to the visitor station. Hey, it's gonna be the best day. Visitor station now. Visitor station now. A visitor station, a visitor station. Vid. We're going to a visitor station.
We're here. Welcome to the Big Rock Visitor Station. Show the sprinkles.
14-ton rock.
How big is big?
By the way, Sprinkles, if you want to see more,
Big Rock.
if you want to see more Rec Room videos, we hope they're coming out. And we already have a video game planned for you guys to see. So if you want to see more Rec Room or the new video game that's going to be coming out maybe soon, we don't know, we haven't filmed it yet. Make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and comment down below thumbs up and a heart if you
Video
want to see
games.
more videos.
Yes.